November 25th. Welcome to Middle East AI News. November 25th. Here's a summary of some key Middle East technology stories from the week. For more detail, more stories and lots of useful links, check out the full text version of Carrington Malin's LinkedIn newsletter. Group 42 starts robo-taxi trial on Abu Dhabi's Yas Island. News broke this week that Abu Dhabi-based AI and cloud computing company Group 42, sometimes known as G42, was ready to begin a driverless transport services trial on the capital's tourism and leisure destination, Yas Island. It will be the biggest autonomous vehicle trial to take place in the UAE to date. The group announced in March of this year that it would be running an autonomous transport service in Q4 2021, in partnership with the Department of Municipalities and Transport in Abu Dhabi. On Sunday, Bloomberg confirmed that the trial would begin this month, and G42 unveiled its first robo-taxi model, branded TXAI, on Tuesday at the Abu Dhabi Smart City Summit. The Level 4 autonomous driving trial will be run by G42 subsidiary ADNOC, which the group acquired in early 2020. The trial will use 5 vehicles and will serve 9 locations on Yas Island, including hotels, restaurants and Yas Mall. Of course, all vehicles will have a safety driver during the trial. It's not a stretch of the imagination to believe that the Yas Island trial will be an operational success, given that it's being run in a relatively contained tourism area. It could be more of a challenge when the second phase of the trial is rolled out, which will involve an AV fleet of at least 10 vehicles serving multiple locations across Abu Dhabi city. ADNOC Distribution opens first cashierless store. After some years of trials, taking place globally, it seems that the automated retail store is finally becoming a reality. 2 factors are essential here. 1. Access to technology that can offer a seamless automated customer experience. And 2. Having customers that are willing to shop frequently at a store that has no customer service staff. In September, Majid Al Futtaim opened its first AI-powered checkout-free store, Carrefour City Plus, at Mall of the Emirates in Dubai. They created the store working with California-based store automation specialists iFi Incorporated. Now, a couple of months later, ADNOC Distribution has launched its first fully autonomous, contactless and cashierless ADNOC Oasis store, using a solution from another U.S. smart store specialist, AWM. The road to the fully automated store has not been an easy one. For example, Sainsbury's, the second largest chain of supermarkets in the United Kingdom, launched its first checkoutless store in spring 2019, only to close it a few months later. However, a few years have passed, technology has moved on and the COVID-19 pandemic made contactless shopping a thing. The success of these 2 concept stores are going to be key in determining the growth of automated stores in the region. Majid Al Futtaim, the Middle East's biggest shopping mall operator, and ADNOC Distribution, the UAE's largest fuel convenience retailer, couldn't be better placed to carry out the litmus test. A new Dubai Future Foundation program, to help drive drone innovation. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of Dubai Executive Council, and Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Dubai Future Foundation, launched a new drone innovation program this week. It is Dubai's first major drone initiative to be announced since the Dubai Drone Law was passed in July 2020. The Dubai program to enable drone transportation aims to foster public-private partnerships, facilitate approvals for drone trials, and contribute to physical and digital infrastructure. Dubai Silicon Oasis will be used as a designated area to test and trial drone services and solutions. Last year's drone law outlined a framework for developing new regulations governing drone activity and creating a services ecosystem. With Dubai Civil Aviation Authority plans for a Dubai Sky Dome already drafted, proposing services, infrastructure and digital systems for UAV air corridors across Dubai, the new law gave Aviation Authority the mandate to go ahead and create a regulated drone services ecosystem. However, the devil is in the detail. And despite progress, very little has been announced over the past 16 months. So, there may be a lot more to the new drone program than meets the eye. Creating a drone testing area at Dubai Silicon Oasis makes the Free Zone the go-to contact point for innovators and global companies that want to demo their drone solutions to public and private sectors. The inclusion of Emirates Sky Cargo in the program sends a signal that logistics solutions are top of mind. Meanwhile, having Faqih University Hospital, which is located in Dubai Silicon Oasis, and Majid Al Futtaim involved, points to potential collaboration on trials of delivery solutions for healthcare and the retail sector. This drone program could accelerate public-private sector engagement dramatically, and help fast-track proof of concepts in the short term. Not to mention create a much needed pipeline of Dubai drone news. These are the top stories for this week. Do scroll through the full Middle East AI news on LinkedIn to read more about these stories and other breaking emerging tech news from around the region. Thanks for listening.